Hi, this is Mike, the Kurt guy here at Kurt Manufacturing, and I'd like to point out another key feature of our new HP420 5-axis vise. This is a self-centering vise, and from time to time you may find the need that you have to adjust that center. It's a very simple procedure. In the center there's a cap that holds the screw, and you'd simply remove the cap screws from there. Remove the cap, and down here in the center you'll see another set of holes. With an 1/8 inch Allen wrench you loosen up those screws, and that will allow you to slide the center point of the vise. So with your jaws in place and your vise mounted on your table, you can come in the center here and sweep the sides of the jaws to find your center on your machine. Then you can adjust this from side to side slightly and put your center point where you need it. Then all you need to do is go back in and tighten the screws down. Replace the cap. Now your vise is recentered and ready for work.